Hello guys, my name is Alok Tripathi. Again I came a new topic IFM means install from media. So in this video we discuss how to install ADC RODC by IFM in Windows Server 2019. As IFM stand for install from media. Install from media. Guys, first we discuss why we use IFM and what is the purpose of this. So for this discussion, here I have created a picture and discuss about that why we use IFM. Guys, I have a picture and suppose this is a DC machine. I have created a DC machine. This is a DC machine, and in this machine I have created a 100 user, 20 groups, 10 OU and 5 GPU. This is already in domain, and in some another location means 500 kilometer, 1000 kilometer. There is some machine which I want to create a ADC, RODC and DC. Suppose another ADC. This machine is created with internet and with the help of DC machine I want to create a ADC RODC. Guys, this is a scenario means means about approx 1000 kilometer. I have installed a server as a domain server and configured a DC machine. This is our DC machine. That is the domain name is tripathi.com, and on another location I have some machine which is connected by internet to DC machine, and I want to install a ADC and RODC. Guys, we all know that if you install ADC and RODC machine with the help of DC machine, then all data will synchronize on ADC and RODC machine. Means if you want to create a ADC with the help of DC machine, then all data will be synchronized with DC to ADC or RODC. So suppose you have a 1000 user or 500 user, 20 groups, 50 groups, 10 OU, 5 GPU. This is a large amount of data synchronized by internet. Then bandwidth will be consumed another and taking too much time. Data will synchronize with each other, then bandwidth will be used and it's taking too much time because this is too far with each other and connected with internet. So that this type of problem we will create when you will be do your work over the internet, so unnecessary bandwidth consume and time taking. For this solution we use IFM. Now by IFM we created that database which are our DC machine such as user group OUs. This is our data, and in this database will inform save of object, and for the help of database we create a RODC machine and ADC machine that can be save the time and bandwidth also. So guys, for this we use IFM to save time and internet bandwidth and help of IFM. With the help of IFM we create ADC and RODC by another location. So let's go and discuss that how to create database with the help of IFM and for how to create ADC and RODC on any network with the help of database. So now guys, IFM install from media, we perform practically. I have two virtual machine. There is a two virtual machine. This is our DC machine where I have installed a domain controller. The computer name is DC1, and this is in domain. I have configured the IP address and Windows firewall is off. And I have another machine that is the name of node 1. This is a work group. I have configured the IP address. Now I have checked on DC machine that I have created some objects and some user groups and some OUs. So go on tools and check. I have some OUs and some groups in DC machine, and here I have some users that I have already created. And another things that is that on DC machine I have created some GPO. So let's check the GPO. And this is a GPO that like a wallpaper, password, software, and another GPO that is default come during AD installation. That is the default domain controller and default domain policy. So I have total number of 6 GPU. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 GPUs. Now I want to create a database of the domain object by the help of IFM and can install ADC or RODC on node 1 machine by the database which is created by the help of IFM. So now first of all, we will create a database. We will create a database of DC machine by the help of IFM. So for this, I will open a PowerShell and run by administrator. It is run by administrator. So as here PowerShell has been opened, and first we will use a command anti-ds util. First we use command anti-ds util. Enter. After to execute anti-ds util command, second command will be use the activate instant. Activate instant anti-ds. Here you will get the notification. Use the command activate instance anti-ds. So you can get a notification activate instance set to anti-ds. Now simply use here a command help. Enter. Now you see here a IFM. There is some command also, and you can see here a IFM. This is the command. Means you can see IFM media creation. Here after activate instance anti-ds, you get this type of command. After activating anti-ds and type help, you can get a several command, and this command you get IFM. Now just type IFM. Type here IFM and click on enter. After come inside IFM, you can use many command. Another type help. You can get many command. And this command you will use create sysvol full. Create sysvol full. This one. So type here create sysvol full. And then next here give the path of the directory where database will be created. So I am giving the path. Go on C drive and create a wallpaper folder and give the name of this folder is a space IFM. This is the name of the folder. So go on this and copy this path and here paste. So press on enter. As you can see, IFM create the database of all domain object and also defragmentation. Here you can see a defragmentation has been started. For this you wait for some time. Now you can see here IFM media created successfully. And here you see the path where you give the starting. So guys, here to perform IFM, I will use some command like that. Anti-DS util, then anti-DS. First one is anti-DS util, then second is activate instance anti-DS, then use command IFM, and then last one create sysvol full. Create sysvol full. So guys, now in short, let's discuss about this command as for your knowledge. For one is first command is anti-DS util. Actually, this command is used for management facility for ADDS and Active Directory Lightweight Directory LDS Active Directory Lightweight Directory Service. This command is also used for perform the database maintenance of ADDS. Manage the control single master operation. And IFM is the command is actually I previously told the IFM is stand for IFM stand for install from media. Guys, notes that IFM stand for install from media. So this is second command, and actually this is used for create a installation media for ADDS, ADC or RODC. And third one is anti-DS. It is folder where store the database. And now last one is create a sysvol full, is to create a database sysvol folder where all database of domain object will be saved. You can see here I have created a folder, and here you can see all database has been saved. Now come back on topic. Last, see here where create the directory. Here you can see that these folder in AD folder, Active Directory folder, the database of Active Directory. The database is this is the database of Active Directory. Second one is registry, and this is a registry related folder, registry related database, and last one is sysvol folder, where the database of group policy. Database of group policy. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a previously I have seen here show you. I have a 5 group policy. So total number of created folder is 5. Now we discuss to create ADC or RODC on any machine with the help of network. Now first go to node 1 machine and copy the database of database which you created on the machine. So go on first node 1 machine and copy the database. So type here copy this folder, go on this PC and paste. Now you can see database has been pasted. Now create this machine ADC or RODC with the use of IFM. Minimize it. Goes on tools. Sorry, goes on manage. Click on add roles and features. Next, next, next. Click on Active Directory Domain Service. Add feature. Then next, next, next. Restart. Yes. And install. So you can see installation has progress. Starting installation. I am going to pause this video. After installation, we will resume this video. So guys, after installation ADDS, now I will promote this server. Now to install ADC or ODC, to install ADC or RODC, check marks on add a domain controller to an existing domain and click on select, and here you give the authentication of DC server. verify the username and password. Click on select on this and OK. Click on next. Now till here same process will be used as that generally we use to install ADC or ODC. So here define the DSRM password. Guys, note that DSRM is the full form of Directory Service Restore Mode. DSRM stand for Directory Service Restore Mode. Give the password. Click on next. Now here you can see that delegation completed. Click on next. As now here you can see that IFM is came here. Install from media. Specify uh, install from media IFM option. This is the option that you can install the ADC or ODC with the help of IFM. Normally to install ADC or ODC, actually normally install ADC or ODC, you click on our domain controller name, DC name, select, and then replicate from DC dc1.party.com, and here you take much time to replicate data with the help of internet. So for save the time, we select the install from media. Install from media. Check marks on this and give the path. Here give the path. Verify it and click on next. Next. Sites check. All prerequisite checks passed successfully. So you can install to begin and click on install. Now during installation of ADC or ODC, IFM replicate the data of DC machine and create a new ADC or ODC machine without using network, and will be create all folders OU, group and GPO, and also update all folders between DC machine and ADC or ODC, and it will be continue again and again if any changes between them. So now guys, for this so now guys, for this, with the help of IFM, we will create ADC or ODC on any machine with the which are connected on network. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, likes and share.